Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Benny's New Zealand tour. It's almost hard to imagine packed arena shows in this pandemic era, but that's what's happening in this relatively COVID-free island nation. We chat with FOH engineer Daniel Warwick about the experience. In our installation feature, Trey Blair of SES Integration talks about the challenges of his latest project, converting an abandoned, low-ceilinged Kmart into a great-sounding 600-seat worship space for Elevation Church. As part of our Parnelli Next Gen series, we profile Erica Rust, an up-and-coming, successful FOH and systems engineer who's been making her mark on the industry. Even as winter approaches, the need for live sound continues, and David Kennedy gets expert advice on simple yet effective approaches to providing outdoor sound. In the Digital Edge, Steve Lacera offers this must-read checklist with ways to sidestep some of those nagging gotchas or even disasters that can occur when doing live shows. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on mic heads for wireless systems. Interchangeable capsules for many higher-end systems open the door for endless mic transmitter pairings, and we present some available options. In this month's road test, we take Adamson Systems' new CS Series powered speakers for a test drive. The Front of House Holiday Guide spotlights must-have products to delight any sound reinforcement pro, all ideal for gifting or as a treat for yourself. In Sound Sanctuary, John McJunkin discusses integrating additional low-frequency enhancement into any church environment with proven techniques and solid advice on the topic.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.